Welcome to Polymer Products Philippines Incorporated's How-To series, where you will learn the basics on polyester resin uses and applications. This video is a guide on how to make a flat sheet. Please take time to read these reminders, as safety is a priority when using resin and fiberglass. The materials from Polymer Products Philippines Incorporated that you will need are the following: R1060 Fast Gel Resin, imported MEKP hardener, Luminar Film S75-54, chopped matte 230 fiberglass, rubber squeegee. For tools and equipment, please prepare optional dried flowers, plastic cups and stirrers, weighing scale, grinder, and rags. Place one sheet of Luminar Film S75-54 on the table. Place a sheet of chopped matte 230 fiberglass on top of the Luminar Film. The Luminar Film has to be about 2 inches bigger than the chopped matte fiberglass. On top of the chopped matte fiberglass, position the dried flowers that you want to put. Take note that putting dried flowers or any design element is optional. Place another chopped matte fiberglass sheet on top. Make sure that the two fiberglass sheets are of the same size. Weigh the two fiberglass sheets with the dried flowers to determine the volume or weight of resin to be used. Multiply the weight by 3.5 to get the proper amount of resin. Pour the proper amount of R1060 Fast Gel Resin in a plastic cup. Then put 2% imported MEKP hardener. In general, use this formula when mixing resin and hardener: 1 to 2% MEKP hardener by resin weight, or 1 to 2 grams hardener for every 100 grams of resin, or 10 to 20 grams hardener for every 1 kilogram of resin. Mix well. Using a brush, put a small amount of the resin hardener mixture on the area where you want to place the dried flowers. This will make sure that the dried flowers will stay in place. After fixing all the dried flowers into place, pour half of the resin hardener mixture on top of the first fiberglass sheet. Then put the second chopped matte fiberglass sheet on top. Pour the remaining resin hardener mixture on top of the second fiberglass sheet. Then place a second Luminar Film on top. Using a rubber squeegee, evenly spread the resin hardener mixture on the fiberglass sheets. Take time to do this to remove the bubbles that might have formed and to make sure that the fiberglass is fully covered with the resin hardener mixture. Allow to gel for about 15 to 30 minutes. After drying, you may take the flat sheet outside to a more ventilated area for grinding. Use a marker and a ruler to mark the edges where you would like to cut. Then use the grinder to cut along the lines. Use a rag to wipe the dust off the flat sheet. Carefully peel off the Luminar films at the front and back of the flat sheet. The flat sheet is now done. For best flat sheet results, we recommend that you use Polymer Products Philippines Incorporated materials. For more information about the use and application of resin and fiberglass, or to know more about our products, please visit www.polymerprod.com. Thank you for watching. Please view our other how-to videos to learn the correct techniques, proper ratios and proportions, and materials handling. This video was brought to you by Polymer Products Philippines Incorporated.